Hi everyone, my name is Kiran, and today I'm going to show up the very useful tools. What I feel recently, I see the tools and really helpful when we are working any corporate or any company or freelance project or anywhere if you are doing, and especially these two tools, it's a very helpful in terms of DevOps or automation related Azure resources as well as architecture diagrams you want based on your application requirement. You need to draw the things or customize the exactly everything needs to be made it, and especially the free tools. This is a free and no need to pay anything on this. So really very helpful as well as in terms of writing any Terraform code or Bicep or ARM template, the respective resource related or kind of draw the diagrams, high level architecture diagrams, and really helpful. So let jump into show the things. And before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click bell icon, and whenever new video you will get the notification. If you like my video, please like and comment below. And one more thing before jumping, and if you see such any other tools you feel it's a very useful, those tools also you feel, and please comment below that links so that I will review it, and accordingly I will create one more video for that. So hopefully it will helpful to all learners who are, even I'm learning the things still, and it's very helpful to me also. Yeah, let's coming to first one, azurediagrams.com. This is a generally you want architecture diagrams. So many people use the draw.io or Visio, Microsoft Visio, and that is a paid tool. Draw.io is a free tool and over the online, and same like Azure Diagrams also over the online. Other than that, so many tools are there in the over the internet, and it's one of the very helpful for, especially for only for Azure, not for any other cloud or any on premises. It's especially for Azure platform. So let's jump into this one. And some of the community diagrams also already available, and you can refer it, and accordingly you can understand how is these diagrams. Let's click on that one, and it will it will open. You can see here, this is a way you can make the your high level architecture diagrams and define it. What is exactly name of your define your you know in your organization, that name, tags, and location, everything you can define it, and how that flow of the traffic is flowing, and after that, and like that you can define it like this. Okay, so example wise I shown you, this is a one. Other than that, if I want to create it myself, it's a custom. So custom wise, click on blank canvas, and custom wise it's a annotation, labels, custom resource, that means resource group, and a session, and blocks and shapes, it's already in the custom. And other than that, all resources is available. And suppose example, I will take it database. Suppose I'm using the Azure SQL, it's my backend, and I can define it, it's a friend. Again, you can see different option. It's a cloning, and you want is a icon view. You can see here only icon view. This is a, instead of icon view, you want is a entire information, what exactly this service and the relational database, and clearly mention. Other than that, it's different documentation. If you click on documentation, automatically it will route to the Microsoft documentation. That is the beauty of this is a one. And one more thing, pricing also. If you click on this is a pricing, automatically it will route to the pricing calculator also, Microsoft pricing related calculation, and it will show the explore the pricing options and everything. It will show to us. So very beauty, because of whenever we click on, automatically it's routing. So that information also, it's a linking here. That is a good thing here. And other than that, suppose this is a so and so resource group, you want to define it custom. I can mention, let me, this is a, I want to send to the backward, and I can define it. It's a just this is a way. under this resource group, this is a one like that. I can define it, and description I can define it. Okay. Otherwise, it's a I don't want, and I can mention like this. So, so I can, instead of iconic view, like I can mention like this, and I can mention the resource group name and custom. If I go to the labels, I can give the label. This is a so and so my uh, Azure SQL DB like that. I can mention, and like shapes also, like I can show you. And suppose is a front end is a app service. I'm using front end is a Azure app service. So this app service needs to be communicated to the database. So I can go to the custom shapes, and it's I can mention the shape is a okay, 1 minute guys, and the connectivity. So here like this, I can mention directly. It's nothing to mention. Is a shape I selected and just draw the things, and it's a that pointing the app service to database. Same like remaining also labels and custom like that. Everything it's freely is available, guys, and we can utilize it. Azure DNS. Yeah, I'm using the Azure DNS. It's also and Bastion. Like everything up to date is all Azure resources. Everything is available. Very easy to draw the our diagrams, understand the high level architecture. This is a way, and even it's mention the documentation and pricing. Everything is available. It's a very easy. This is a one tool, guys. And if you like this one, and please comment below. And really you like it, or any other tool is a like compared to this tool, any other tools is a very better, and you can comment below. So I will look into that. And next one is a what I mentioned, like a single place. I can get the Terraform code, I can get the Bicep code, I can get the ARM template code, as well as pricing, documentation, everything. It's a we can get it. So let's see into this is a one Azure periodic table. This is a way they define it. This is a URL. I will provide this to both the URLs in my video description. You can you can able to access it. And coming to, you can see here color wise they define it: networking, compute web, container, database, storage, machine learning and artificial intelligence, analytics, IoT, virtual desktop, dev tools, integration, migration, management. Accordingly, they keep it the respective resources. Whenever you go, and you can see the respective resources. Suppose example, I want AKS Kubernetes cluster, Azure Kubernetes cluster. Click on this one, and general information and the namespace. It's if you click on this is a one, it will go to the sorry, this is a namespace or entity is a Microsoft is a maintained under Microsoft API. This is a Microsoft dot container services managed cluster. This is a one, and this is a category is a containers and documentation references. You can see Microsoft LAN. If you click on this one, it will go to the Kubernetes documentation, as well as same like cost. If you click on, it will go to the AKS cost related. And you can they are integrate the chat GPT also. If you have any question you have in Azure Kubernetes services related, you can prompt it and you will get the answer for that. And naming convention, it's generally like this way you can follow it, and the length of that naming, and what are the characters it will support it, and the scope in the resource group, and code. And you can see this is a beauty. So here Terraform code they given, general Terraform code, official documentation also they provided. If you click on, it will route to the Terraform documentation, Kubernetes cluster related. You can see here, as well as Bicep language. You can see here that Bicep language also Kubernetes cluster related. That Bicep language totally code is available, as well as ARM template. And you can see here. So no need to search any, Google it or anything. Directly from this place, you can get it Bicep, ARM template, Terraform, everything from single place. Even it's a utility. Azure portal from that, Azure Cloud Shell, and pricing calculator. If I'm going to cloud portal, and it will ask me my user ID and password. Cloud Shell means, again, this is also same thing. And pricing calculator, Azure pricing calculator, it will go. And its a private endpoint is a commercial and sub resource name and private DNS zone and what exactly private DNS zone for this AKS cluster required. And these all those things is clearly mentioned: private DNS zone, forwarders. Like really, if you don't have some information, and you can refer it and you will get it. So I hope it's a very really helpful to everyone. And if you like this video, please comment below. And one more thing, last not but not least, and you can search it here. Suppose I'm unable to see this is a properly and everything, and simply suppose AKS, and you can see here highlighted that particular. If you click on, and even you will get it, because of people can raise the concern, I'm not able to see properly. It's not easy to identify where that resources. And this is a way color coding is available as well as search button is available. So virtual network, and you can see guys peer and virtual network gateway and virtual network. So the respect to related resources, it's highlighted. It's very helpful. That's it guys. I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please comment below and click on like. And if you are not subscribed as of now, please subscribe and click on bell icon. Thank you.